How to add featured products on your Shopify website. So right here from the left hand side, first we have to click on products and we have to go to collections because we need to create a featured collection. So right here we will simply select the create collection button. We can set the title to featured products. You can write a description. You can choose obviously the collection type, but basically I'm just going to leave it like this. So featured products, and I'll just simply click on save here. And once our collection has been saved, I will go back to collections and I'm going to select it just so we add the products here. So once we have clicked on it, then go to products, search for the product that you want to add to this featured collection. I've just typed out case here because this is the product that I want featured, and I'm going to click on add. So once we have clicked on add here, we can go back now to our home page. And the next step is going to online store here under the sales channels. It will automatically take us to the themes page, but right here, you just want to find your current theme and just click on customize. Once we have clicked on it, then you will see the different sections here. And you should already have a featured collection like so. If you don't already have it, then we will click on this button right here to add section for the template or under the template section. And right here, you will see featured product or featured collection. If we click on featured collection, then it's going to look like this. And now we can edit this. We can change it to whatever we would like to. So for example, we can change the collection type here. So you can see select collection. So we want to click on select collection here and you will see your featured products that we just created. So click on it, then click on select. And now we have successfully created a featured section on our Shopify web store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.